Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and manage voice channel in Discord. So for you to be able to create a voice channel in Discord, here is how you can get it done. Make sure you're connected to the server before you can create a voice channel. And if you want one, you can create one. So right now I actually have this particular server Discord. So I'm just going to use this to create and manage a voice channel. So I'm just going to tap the server, which is this Nema server. See, it's okay. Come to Nema server, currently inactive for now. So I'm just going to click on the voice over channel, which is the voice channel. So right now, actually I have this channel, two channel which is the lobby and the other one is for gaming. And I feel like adding or creating one voice channel, you can easily do that. Right now, I'm after that for now. So I'm just going to click on this gaming. So when I click on the gaming, then the voice channel is fully, as you see, connecting. Voice dictate. Good. So that shows that I'm connected to this. You can see my server right here. My microphone is off. You can see instruction to enable access or for enabling access to your microphone. So that is now actually the part of it. So this is it. So right now I'm actually connected to this particular server. So you can see I'm under this. That is where my name. So if I want to connect, I'll just click on my name. Give 3 seconds for this to load. Then this easily open the chat. And that's it. Here you can see this is me, Emma. And right now actually on voice channel, which is voice connected. You can see right here voice connected, which is good. Actually you can, I'm trying to see if I can push talk. So that's it. That is how to connect to voice channel on Discord. Find this video full, like and follow for me. Thank you.